Are you making the most out of your credit card rewards, or are you letting those precious points slip away? Welcome to the world of credit cards, a world teeming with potential rewards and exclusive perks waiting to be unlocked. It's a world that can make your financial journey a lot less burdensome and a lot more rewarding. Think about it, every time you swipe your card at the supermarket, fill up your car at the petrol station, or book that much-needed holiday, you're not just spending money, you're also earning points, cashback, or travel rewards. And these aren't just random, insignificant goodies. These are tangible benefits that can save you a significant amount of money. They can subsidize your travels, give you access to exclusive events, or even just put some cash back into your pocket. Sounds brilliant, doesn't it? But here's the catch. If you're not fully aware of the power of these rewards, or if you don't know how to maximize them, you're essentially leaving money on the table. Yes, you heard that right. Those unused points, that untouched cash back, those unclaimed travel rewards, they all add up. And before you know it, you've missed out on a goldmine of opportunities. And it's not just about earning rewards, it's also about making informed financial decisions. Choosing the right card based on your spending habits, paying off your balances promptly to avoid interest charges, using multiple cards strategically, these are all part of the game. And if you don't play the game right, you might end up losing more than you gain. But fear not. This isn't a game of chance, it's a game of strategy. And with the right knowledge, the right tools, and a little bit of foresight, you too can become a master of credit card rewards. So, are you ready to unlock the full potential of your credit cards? Are you ready to stop leaving money on the table and start putting it back into your pocket? Then stay tuned, because we're here to help. Choosing a credit card is like choosing a partner. It's crucial to find the right match. Just like in a relationship, you want to find a card that complements your lifestyle and spending habits, not one that pushes you towards unnecessary extravagance or debt. Imagine a card as a financial companion, accompanying you on your purchases, large and small. Some cards offer cashback, others offer travel rewards, and some even offer points that can be redeemed for a variety of goods and services. The key is to understand the unique benefits of each card and how they align with your spending habits. Let's say you're a frequent flyer. A travel rewards card could be your best friend, offering you miles for every dollar spent, which you can then redeem for flights or hotel stays. Or suppose you're a homebody who prefers online shopping. In that case, a card that offers cashback or points for online purchases would be the perfect match. You see, choosing the right card is not about picking the one with the flashiest perks or the most impressive sounding name. It's about understanding your spending habits, analyzing the benefits each card offers, and making an informed choice. But be warned, my financially savvy friends, the devil is in the detail. Always, and I mean always, read the terms and conditions of each card. It's like reading the fine print on a contract with a potentially tricky genie. Understand the interest rates, the annual fees, and the penalties for late payments. These factors can turn a seemingly attractive card into a financial nightmare. And finally, don't forget to consider the card's reward expiration dates and any potential restrictions on reward redemption. It would be a shame to accumulate rewards only to find they've vanished like a ghost at the stroke of midnight. Remember, the best credit card for you is the one that fits your spending habits like a glove. Just like Cinderella's slipper, the right card should be a perfect fit, maximizing your benefits and minimizing your costs. So choose wisely and let your credit card be a tool to enhance your financial well-being, not a burden to bear. You wouldn't put all your eggs in one basket, would you? The same goes for credit cards. Let's dive into the art of strategic card usage. Imagine your credit cards as a team of superheroes, each with their own special powers. One card might offer you fantastic travel rewards, while another might be a whiz at cashback on groceries. The trick is to deploy each card where their powers shine the brightest, and that, my friends, is the essence of strategic card usage. Now, some of you might have heard of card churning. It's a term that sounds as if it belongs in a medieval butter-making process, but it's actually a strategy used by some credit card holders. They sign up for cards to snag the juicy sign-up bonuses, and then, poof, they close the account before the annual fee is due. It's a bit like going on a date just for the free dinner, really, but before you jump on the churning bandwagon, remember, this strategy is not for the faint-hearted. It requires meticulous management, and if not handled correctly, can lead to a messy credit report. Plus, it's a bit like playing cat and mouse with credit card companies. And let's face it, they're a pretty big cat. Now let's talk about responsibility. Having multiple cards is like having a pet. You need to take care of them, feed them regularly, and make sure they don't get lost. In the credit card world, this means paying off your balances promptly to avoid the nasty bite of interest charges. It's a bit like taking out the trash. If you don't do it regularly, things start to smell. Remember, the goal here is not to spend more, but to spend smart. It's about getting the most out of what you're already spending. The key is to keep track of your spending, stay within your budget, and pay off your balances on time. It's a bit like juggling. Keep your eyes on all the balls and make sure none of them drop. With careful planning, you can turn your wallet into a well-oiled rewards machine. Did you know your credit card might have hidden treasures waiting to be unearthed? Imagine you're a pirate, your credit card is your treasure map and the X marking the spot. Well, that's your hidden perks. Now, these perks aren't just the typical rewards points or cashback. No, we're talking about the little-known, often overlooked benefits that could save you a pretty penny or even offer a dash of luxury. Take, for instance, premium travel insurance. If you've got a card that offers this, it's like having a safety net when you're globetrotting. It can cover everything from trip cancellation to baggage delay, even emergency medical expenses. So next time you're planning an adventure, dig a little deeper into your card's policy. You might just find you're covered. Then there's extended warranty coverage. Picture this, you've just bought a shiny new gadget. It comes with a 1-year warranty, but your credit card might extend that warranty by another year. That's an extra year of peace of mind at no extra cost. Now, isn't that splendid? And let's not forget about exclusive access to events. This could be anything from pre-sale tickets to your favorite band's concert to a private dining experience with a world-renowned chef. So, if you're after a bit of VIP treatment, it's worth checking out the exclusive offers from your credit card. Remember, these perks aren't automatic. You often have to activate them or meet certain requirements. So, it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with your card's benefits guide or give your bank a ring to find out more. Your credit card is more than just a piece of plastic. It's a key to a world of hidden perks. So let's start treasure hunting, shall we? So, are you ready to become a master of credit card rewards? As we wrap up this financial journey, remember the essentials. Choose your card wisely, tailored to your spending habits. Use multiple cards strategically, and don't shy away from those hidden perks. Pay off your balances promptly to avoid the nasty sting of interest charges. Stay financially savvy, my friends. The power to maximize your credit card rewards lies in your hands, quite literally. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Happy reward hunting!